Hello, today I'm in Citroen C5. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the steering wheel and press this button until you see cruise control paused on the speedometer display. Now, simply accelerate to desired speed and let go the acceleration pedal. Next, you can manage cruise control via these two buttons and via this pause button. Simply press this plus button to increase the speed, minus button to decrease the speed, or pause button to pause or unpause cruise control. To turn off cruise control, press this button. And that's it. All notifications will be shown on the speedometer display. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.